Sweet smile. You find me in the furnace. You'll find me in the flames. 'Cause baby I'm a phoenix. And I'm rising.
Guys and girls, back with another video. I'm doing this again because I didn't click record like a ding dong. And yes, this is Transformers, the one, obviously. This is the back, as you see. And yes, I've done the cutting because, like a ninny, I forgot to record it. So here's the front and back. There you go. There's the back of the cover and the case. And obviously I've done the cutting. There's the disc, guys and girls. There you go. And yeah, it had special treatment of the sort of it. Of the looks of it. That's what I meant. And this I did a reaction to. I've not seen. As well. It's going to be in the description, so feel free to check it if you want to buy yourself the copy. And as well, Happy New Year to you all, because I've done 3 unboxings today on New Year's Eve. So Happy New Year to you all when you see this video, hopefully on New Year's Day. I think that's when I'm going to put them up, yeah. And as well, hope you had a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. So peace out, guys and girls, see you in the next video, bye bye.
You find me in the furnace.